Welcome to our tutorial on team management within LikeIT Social. In order to effectively utilize the platform, it's crucial to understand the role of teams and their connection to social media actions. Let's start by understanding how to create teams. To create a new team, you'll need to meet a few requirements. Firstly, ensure that you have at least 2 employee accounts, as you'll need to assign a leader and a member. Secondly, within the roles section, make sure you have at least 1 role with leader scope and 1 with member scope. Lastly, while you don't necessarily need to have a business to create a team, keep in mind that the team won't be able to function without being assigned to at least 1 business. If you require assistance with business creation or role assignment, we have tutorials available to guide you through the process. To create a new team, navigate to the left-hand menu and access the Agency section. Within the Agency section, you'll find a Teams folder. Click on it to view the created teams, filters, and a Creation button for adding a new team. Upon clicking the Creation button, you'll be prompted to name the team. You can then select the members to add to the team. If needed, you can invite new collaborators by clicking on Invite New Employee. Once the members are added, you can assign roles to each member. It's crucial to assign at least 1 team leader role and 1 member role for the team to function properly. After assigning roles, you have the option to add a profile photo to the team. While this step is optional, it adds a touch of personality and professionalism. Click Save to confirm and complete the team creation process. Remember, the number of teams you can create is unlimited, allowing for flexibility in organizing teams based on social media services, client types, or the complexity of each client. The possibilities are endless, limited only by your imagination. Teams in LikeIT Social are also connected to the calendar and tasks. You can link these features to individuals, teams, or businesses, allowing for efficient organization and task allocation within your agency. In conclusion, understanding team management within LikeIT Social is vital for effective social media management. By creating teams, assigning roles, and connecting them to businesses, you can streamline your workflow and collaborate seamlessly. Remember to leverage the calendar and tasks features to enhance productivity and organization within your team. We hope this tutorial has provided you with valuable insights into team management within LikeIT Social. Embrace the power of teams and unlock the full potential of the platform.